This conference will now be recorded.
So in today's session, we are going to discuss about email templates. We will see what exactly the email template, what is the use, how to configure email templates in Salesforce, and how can we send the email notifications to the people through email templates. We'll see practically now. So basically, email templates are used to send the email notifications to the people. In order to send some email notifications to the people from Salesforce, we are using email templates. Like for example, assume that I have an organization. As part of my organization, I have so many customers, partners, employees, and users who are all part of my organization. So as part of my organization, we have so many customers, partners, employees, and end users. So as an organization, I should be in touch with these people. Always I should be interacting with these people. I want to interact with my customers to collect some feedbacks. I want to interact with my partners also to share some information regarding some new products. I want to interact with my employees regarding some meetings or whatever. I want to interact with my end users to do some surveys also, to conduct some feedbacks also. So in this case, keep on, I should be interacting with these customers, partners, employees, end users, with all these people. Then how can I interact with these people? Do I need to make a call to all these people manually? No, because if I'm having some 100 customers, then fine, I can able to manage this, manage my time. I will make a call to each and every person, and then we can have the discussion of this. Suppose if you're having some lakhs of customers, millions of customers, lakhs of employees, thousands of partners, at that time, how can we interact with all these people? For that one, we are going to be using a feature called as email notifications. Email notifications. By sending some email notifications to the people, we can able to interact with these people. We can interact with our customers, partners, employees, end users. So that whenever if we want to interact with the bulk people, then we can use a channel called as email notifications. Through email notifications, we can interact with these people. Like for example, assume that I'm having so many customers, so many partners, employees, and end users. Today, one of the customers' birthday. One of my customers' birthday is available. Then on the occasion of his birthday, I want to send a greeting card. Greeting card along with the wishes. I want to wish my customer on the occasion of his birthday. Today, one of my customers' birthday is there, so I want to send a greeting card. I want to send some wishes to him. Then how can we send the wishes? So in this case, whenever if you want to send some wishes to the people, then what we can do? I want to send an email notification. In that email notification, I want to type the information which I would like to send to the people on the occasion of his birthday. I would like to attach one greeting card also inside that, so that we can wish him, okay, by sending one greeting card also. Now, so now today, okay, for example, today we are going to be giving some new products, nothing but new releases. New releases. So at that time, I want to interact with all my partners. I want to interact with my partners to give the information regarding the new releases. Okay, we are going to be launching some new products today. Because of some festival season on these new products, I would like to offer some discounts. So I want to inform about all these discounts to my partners so that my partner people can able to explain, boss, on this product we have some 20% discount today. That discounts will be available only for today and tomorrow only. From day after tomorrow, this discount is not available, only for today and tomorrow. So now the company is offering some discount. So that here we have to give all this information, okay, to the partners. So that in this case, if you want to offer all these kind of discounts and all these things regarding some occasions, regarding some new year, regarding some festival seasons, whatever the discounts you would like to offer, to inform to all my partners, I would like to send some email notifications. Now, for example, today a customer has raised a complaint. Today, customer has raised a complaint. That means a case. So whenever he is raising a case, then I want to send an email notification. Why? Because is, for example, whenever the customer has raised a case, then how the customer will know my case has been registered successfully or not? We have to give some notification, right? We have to give some confirmation, right? We have to give some acknowledgement to the customer, right, boss? Your dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. So this is your case ID, this is your case number, this is your case status. So one of our service person will contact you shortly. If I'm sending this notification, then the customer will get the confirmation, oh, my case has been registered successfully. One of the service person will contact me shortly. Suppose if I'm not sending any confirmation message, what the customer will thought? In this case, customer will thought of maybe my case is not yet registered. So he will keep on make a call to the customer care and he will be keep on raising that same complaint again and again and again. Because of that, multiple complaints will be getting arised with the same details. Duplicate cases will be getting arised. So to avoid this one, I want to send one email notification to the customer. Dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. This is your case number. This is your case status. One of our service person will contact you shortly. Like that, I want to send some notifications. I want to send some notifications to the people. So in order to send these kind of notifications, we are going to be using a feature called as email templates. So email templates is a feature which is used to send the email notification from Salesforce to the external email IDs. We can send the email notifications to the people based on his email ID. Okay, based on his email ID, we can send the email notification to the respective people. That facility is available over there. Now, so now here in this case, with the help of this email templates here. So what do you mean by template generally? Template is nothing but a draft. Draft in the sense a format. So email template, that means email format. So where we are going to be preparing some subject and some content which needs to be get delivered to the required people. So whenever the customer is raising a complaint, we are sending some notification details. For that one, I would like to prepare one template. I would like to prepare one draft. In that one, I will be indicating what subject needs to be delivered to the customer, what content needs to be get delivered. That means in that email, what subject, what will be the email content you want to deliver. We can prepare, we can ready with that template here. First, we will prepare that content, then we will use that template to send the notification to the people. So for that reason, we are using the help of email templates. So email templates is a feature which is used to prepare a draft or a template which contains the email subject and the email content to be get delivered to the required people based on the requirement. Based on the application requirement, we can able to send these email notifications to the required people with the specified subject, with the specified content according to the application requirement. That possibility is available to you. Now, so for that reason, we are going to be using a feature called as email template. Now, In this case, whenever we are sending the email notification to the people, generally when you go to some other programming languages, we have to configure SMTP server. Okay, we have to configure SMTP server. That means simple mail transmission protocol. Okay, simple mail transmission protocol. In order to send the email notifications from any programming language, it may be Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, anything, whatever, we have to install and we have to configure SMTP server. Through this SMTP servers only, we can able to send the email notifications to the required people. Now, so do we need to do any additional settings in my Salesforce to send the email notifications? No. We no need to configure. We no need to do any additional settings to send the email notifications from Salesforce because email servers are already configured in Salesforce for you ready-madely. Okay, email servers are already configured for you ready-madely, but just what we have to do is just we have to specify what subject you want to send to the people, what email content you want to deliver, to whom you want to deliver. That's it. To address, email subject, email content, then send it, no problem. You no need to do any additional configuration. All the things, all the settings has been given by Salesforce by default, ready-made default. So email servers are already configured for you. You no need to enable, you no need to configure any settings inside your organization. Just you have to send the email notification by specifying the to address, email subject, and the email content. That's it. So in this case, we are using the help of email templates. Okay, so that by using these email templates, we can able to send the email notifications to the required people. Okay, now here in this case. So as part of this email templates, why we are using email templates, we are using to communicate with the people. In order to communicate with the people, it may be to a customer or a partner or end user or employee, with anybody, we can communicate by sending some information through email notifications. So in order to communicate with these people, we are using these email templates, so that these email templates are also called as communication templates. These are also called as communication templates in Salesforce. Email templates are also called as communication templates in Salesforce. Now, so now here in this case, when coming to the email templates, we have two types of email templates available in Salesforce. Okay, we have two types of email templates. First one, standard email templates. Second one, custom email templates. Standard email templates. Second one, custom email templates. What do you mean by standard? Okay, from the beginning, okay, we are discussing the same thing, same story, no change at all. So what do you mean by standard email template? Standard in the sense what? Ready-made. Okay, standard means ready-made. Now, so Salesforce is providing so many ready-made email templates to you by default, which are called as standard email templates. Okay, Salesforce has given so many ready-made email templates to you by default, which are called as standard email templates. Then you can raise the question, sir, where Salesforce is using these templates? Because Salesforce has given a ready-made application to you that is called as Salesforce CRM. As part of Salesforce CRM, we have sales application, service application, marketing, content, charter, community, app launcher. So many applications has been given by Salesforce by default, and then in those applications, to send the email notifications, Salesforce has provided so many ready-made email templates by default. Salesforce has given so many ready-made email templates by default, okay, as part of the Salesforce CRM. Those are called as standard email templates. These are the ready-made email templates. These are the ready-made email templates which has been given by Salesforce by default, which is utilizing by the Salesforce CRM application. Now, in this case, As part of this email templates, whatever the ready-made email templates given by Salesforce, the same templates we can customize and we can remove also. Okay, whatever the standard email templates has been given by Salesforce, we can customize them or we can remove them also, no problem. But in this case, what will happen? Whatever the ready-made email templates has been given by Salesforce, we can use those email templates according to your application requirement. As part of your business requirement, you can use that same templates also whenever you need it. If you want to do any minor changes, then you can make the changes also. But some cases, whatever the standard templates has been given by Salesforce, those ready-made templates may not be suitable. Those may not be sufficient. I want some more. I want some different templates here. Because I'm creating some banking applications, finance applications, and then manufacturing applications, and then insurance application, different kinds of applications we're building. So as part of those applications, I need some different email templates. The standard, the ready-made email templates are not suitable. I don't want those things. I want something new. I want something new. Then how can you do that? In this case, whatever the ready-made email templates has been given by Salesforce, if those are not sufficient, then we can create our own email templates also. So the developer or the administrator, developer or administrator can create their own email templates according to their business requirement with their own email subject, with their own email content to be get delivered. Those email templates are called as custom email templates. Okay, whatever the email templates has been given by Salesforce ready-madely, those are called as standard email templates. And then whatever the templates that we are creating as part of our application requirement, those are called as custom email templates. These are the two types of email templates are available in Salesforce. Now, then where we can see all these email templates? All the email templates we can able to see inside a notification, inside a navigation called as setup. Go to that administer menu. Go to the administer menu. Click on communication templates. Click on classic email templates. Okay. Go to the setup menu. Go to the administer menu in the left panel. Go to the communication templates and then click on classic email templates. So this is the navigation we have to follow to go to that email templates. We can see all the email templates which we have created in the past, or what are the ready-made templates given by Salesforce, those also we can see. And if you want to create some more new, then we can create also. From this navigation, we can see the existing email templates and then we can create something new also. Then where all these email templates will be getting resides, all the email templates will get resides inside an object called as email template object. Email template object. So all the email template, like for example, all the account records are storing in account table. Contact records are storing in contact table. Lead records are storing in lead table. User records are storing in user table. Like the similar way, email templates information is storing in email template table. So email template is a standard object in Salesforce in which all the email templates information will be getting resides. Whatever the email templates are available inside your organization, all the email templates information will be getting resides inside that email template object. Okay, now. So now let me show you that here where exactly is navigation. Let's go to your Salesforce instance. Go to the administrator menu in the left panel. Click on communication templates. Communication templates. Click on classic email templates. You will be having an option called as classic email templates option. So click on this option to see all the email templates which you have inside your organization. So whatever the email templates are available inside your organization, all the email templates we can able to see inside this location. Now, so now here in this case, how can we do this one? So what are the email templates that we have configured in the past? It may be standard, it may be custom, all the email templates we can able to see by using this navigation classic email templates link. Click on this classic email templates and we can see all the email templates, whatever we have inside our organization. So these are the various email templates. Marketing related, product inquiry response. That means whenever a customer or a person made a call to the organization to get some inquiry about a particular product, then we are sending some response back. Okay, then we are sending some response notification back to that person's email ID. Dear person, so thanks for contacting us to get some inquiry about so and so product, and then we are one of our marketing person or one of our sales person will contact you shortly. Like that, we can send some notifications also. And then it is indicating that case created. So whenever a new case has been created by the customer, then immediately we are sending some notification back to the customer. Dear customer, your case has been registered successfully. This is the case ID, this is the case number, and this is the case status. So one of our service person will contact you shortly. So once the case has been raised by the customer, we are assigning this case to one of the service person. So as soon as whenever a case has been assigned to a person, then we are sending one more notification to the service person. We are assigning the case, we are sending the notification, case assignment notification. That means whenever a new case has been assigned to a service person, then immediately we are sending some notification to that service person's email ID. Dear service person, a new case has been assigned to you, so from now onwards you are the responsible person for this case, so please look into the case and then resolve this case as soon as possible. Like that, here we are sending some notifications also to the people. He may be my employee, he may be my salesperson, service person, marketing person, finance person. Okay, he may be customer, partner, employee, anybody. To whomever you want, we can send the email notifications by using email templates feature. Okay, so in order to send the email notifications to the required people, we are using the help of this email templates. So inside the email template, we have to specify the subject and the content to be get delivered to the required people. Okay, now. So now these are the various ready-made templates has been given by Salesforce. Whenever we are going to be having the email templates, each email template should be get resides inside a folder. Okay, each and every email template should be get resides inside a folder. Like for example, I want to segregate my email templates. Like for example, assume that I'm developing a banking application, and then I'm building a finance application. I'm building an insurance application. So as part of banking application, to send the notification regarding the bank transactions, like whenever a new customer is depositing the money, he will be getting some notification. Whenever customer is withdrawing the money, he is getting the notification. Whenever the customer is applying for the loan, he is getting the notification. So to send these notifications, we are creating some templates. So as part of my finance application, we are sending the email notifications. For that one, we need some different templates. As part of insurance application, we are sending some notification. For that one, we are creating these templates. But all these templates will be getting resides where all these email templates are storing inside an object called as email template object. All these email templates are storing inside this email template object. Then in this case, how do you know, how can you identify this template is belongs to this application, this template is belongs to banking application, this email template is belongs to insurance application? How can we differentiate? How to differentiate? All the templates are there in the same object. Then how can we differentiate? This template is belongs to so and so application. How can we differentiate? So for that reason, instead of storing all the email templates under a single folder, we can create our own folders also. We can create our own folders also. Depends upon your application requirement, we can create our own folders also. Like email folders we can create. So to segregate the email notification templates based on the application, based on the module, based on the department, based on the location, based on the division, we can differentiate those email templates by creating a separate folder. So all the banking related email notifications, okay, email templates, I want to store inside a separate folder, like as some folder one. Folder one. All the finance application related email templates I want to store inside a separate folder, like as some folder 2. All the insurance related applications I would like to store inside a separate folder, that is called as folder 3. That means what? Whatever the email templates that I'm creating as part of my application requirement, that each email template should be get resides inside a folder. So that we can differentiate the email templates, okay, based on the application, based on the department, based on the division, based on the location, we can able to differentiate that. That possibility is there. Okay, so that here every email template should be get resides inside a separate folder. Like for example, I want to create one folder over here. All the email templates related to banking application, I want to store inside a folder called as banking templates folder. I will create one separate folder. All the finance related email templates I would like to store inside the finance folder. All the insurance application related templates I would like to store inside that, okay, insurance folder. That means what? Depends upon the application requirement, I would like to create a separate folder, and in that folder I would like to store the respective email templates, so that will be very easy for me to identify. Like for example, in our home, we are having so many household items are there. TV, cooler, fridge, AC, cooking related items, so many things are there. We are arranging, right? All the cooking related items I'm placing inside the kitchen. Common items we are placing in the hall. Other items we are placing in the bedroom. That means what? For our convenience, we are segregating. We are dividing to the separate rooms. Like the similar way, whatever the email templates are there, we can able to segregate to the various of folders also. So that will be very easy for us to identify which template is belongs to which application, which template is using in which application. We can differentiate very easily with the help of this folders. So as part of this email template folders, we have two types of folders are available in Salesforce. We have standard folders, standard email templates folder, and then custom folders. We have two types of folders are available as part of email templates. We have two types of folders. First one is standard email templates folder. Second one is custom folders. Same story again. Okay, now, so what do you mean by standard folders? These are the ready-made folders given by Salesforce by default to store the email templates. These are the ready-made folders. Then custom folders means the developer or the administrator can create their own folders. Okay, the developer or the administrator can create their own folders also, which in order to store the email templates. So these are called as custom folders. So according to your application requirement, business requirement, depends upon the application name, based on the division, based on the department, based on the module, we can create your own folders also. How many? A number of folders. So then what are all the various ready-made folders are available? Salesforce is giving two ready-made folders to you. First one is unfiled public classic email templates folder. This is the first folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. Now, these are the two templates has been given by Salesforce. First one is unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one is my personal email templates folder. These are the two types of folders has been given by Salesforce as part of standard. As part of standard email templates folder, we have two folders are available. First one is unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one is my personal email templates folder. Then, in this case, what exactly the unfiled public classic email templates folder? What exactly the my personal email templates folder? Okay, now let me differentiate this. Now, unfiled public means what? Visible to everyone. Visible to everyone means which can be accessible by all the users. Like for example, in our home, we are placing some items inside our bedroom. Those items can be utilizing by only the family members. Outside people can't access. If the item is available inside that hall, then everybody can use. My family members, my relatives, everybody can use it. But the bedroom related items can be utilizing by only my family members, not the relatives, not the outside people. Like the similar way here also, public means what? It's common to all the users. Every user can access this template. So whatever the email templates that you are placing inside this folder, these email templates can be accessible by all the users inside the organization. Accessed by all users. Whatever the users are available inside the organization, all the users can access these email templates available inside this folder. And then my personal email templates folder. So what do you mean by my personal? That means only the owner of that email template can able to access it. Okay, only the owner of the email template. Only the owner of the email template can able to access this email template. Other people can't access it. Only the owner of this email template can able to access it. Okay, now. So like the similar way, we can create our own folders also. Like for example, we can create our own folders like as banking templates, one folder. Finance templates, a separate folder. And then HR templates folder. And then I would like to indicate manufacturing templates folder. Like that depends upon your application requirement. You can able to send the email notifications to the required people by creating your own folders also. Whatever the email templates that you would like to create, so now those email templates has to be stored in any one of this template, so that every email template should get resides inside a folder. We have to indicate in which folder that email template has to be get stored. Then how to create the folders, I will show you practically in this case. Now let's go to your Salesforce instance. Here it is indicating that all the folders information we can able to see. Okay, all the folders information we can able to see over here. This is the folder. Okay, this is the folder navigation. Here we can able to see the folders. These are the two folders which has been given by Salesforce: unfiled public classic email templates folder. This is the first one. unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. Okay, second one, my personal email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. Now, the first one is unfiled public classic email templates folder. Second one, my personal email templates folder. So in this case, what is this my personal email templates folder? Only those templates which you have created, those will be getting visible to you. Other people can't access your email templates. Now, so in this case, if you want to see what templates are available in each and every folder, just you can select this, my personal email templates folder. It will be populating. It is indicating that no records to display. That means there is no email templates available inside this folder. Now select this. Second one, unfiled public classic email templates folder. So here we are having all these email templates are available. So whatever the ready-made email templates has been given by Salesforce, these email templates are available inside this particular folder. Now, along with that, I want to create some more folders also. Then how can we create? So here we have a small link is available in order to create your own folders. Okay, create new folder. Click on this link, create new folder. I'm giving that folder label, like I'm indicating like as now the HR related folder, HR templates folder. All the HR related email templates information I would like to store inside a folder called as HR templates folder. Now you can give any name whatever you want, depends upon your application. Now public folder access, that means here for the other users what will be the access on this particular folder here. You want me to grant the access or not? If yes, then what is that access here? Read write, read only. I want to make it as read only. That means other people just they can see my email templates but they can't access it. Okay, other people just they can see this email template but they can't modify my email template, they can't delete my email template over here. Now, so now here in this case here, these are the ready-made email, these are the various templates are available ready-madely in Salesforce. If you want to place any one of this template inside this folder, you can able to copy, you can able to add over here, depends upon your application requirement. But I don't want to add anything over here. Now we can give the access on this folder to all the people. So now what kind of access you would like to grant to this particular folder to the people. So now we can specify this folder is accessible by all the users. You want to make it as public or not? Now, is it visible only to you, nothing but hidden from all users? And then accessible by only a few users here, few group of people, nothing but public group. You know what exactly public group, how to configure the public group, all these things, you know that. Now, so now here in this case, I'm creating this folder here. Now I want to make this folder should not be visible to all the people. So that I'm selecting the second option. The folder is hidden from all users. Now specify the folder name and then public access for the folder. And then who are all the people can access this folder, we can able to decide that. We can restrict the visibility also. Now click on save button. So now a new folder has been created. Previously we have only two, now we have three folders. Unfiled public classic email templates folder, my personal email templates folder, and then we are having HR templates folder. So but right now it is selecting that HR templates folder, no email templates are available. I'm selecting my personal, nothing is available. I'm selecting unfiled public classic email templates folder. So it is having all these email templates. This is how we can able to create your own folders in order to store your email templates. Okay, to store the email templates, we are using this email templates over here. Okay, this is how we are going to be creating the folders inside your organization to store all these email templates. Now, then how can we create these email templates? Now let's see practically. As of now, we are done with the folders. Okay, how to create the folders? What folders are available? We know. Then how to create the email templates here? Whenever we are going to be creating the custom email templates, okay, upon creating the custom email templates inside your Salesforce instance, Salesforce is providing 4 types of email templates. Salesforce provides 4 types of email templates. We have 4 types of email templates are available in Salesforce. The first one is text type of email template. These are also called as plain text email templates. First one, text type of email templates, and those are also called as plain text email templates. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visualforce. Visualforce template. Now, so these are the 4 types of email templates that we can create in Salesforce. First one, text type. These are also called as plain text. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visualforce. These are the 4 types of email templates that we can create in Salesforce. So upon creating the email template, we have to select any one of this template type. Upon creating the email template, you have to select any one of this template type, so which will indicate what type of template that you would like to create. Okay, what type of template you would like to create, we have to select any one of this template type. Now, so then what exactly the text type of email template, how to prepare this, and how can we test it, we'll see practically now. So now plain text type, then what it means, now let me show you how it will look like basically. Plain text means what? Like as a normal notepad. Like for example, now tell me, is it what? Plain text, right? It's a notepad. It's a plain text, which doesn't have colors, no images, no pictures, no hyperlinks, no alignments, nothing. Simply white background, black text. That's it. We can't apply the font, style, size, color, hyperlinks, images, pictures, nothing. Simply plain text, white background, black text. That's it. So in this kind of thing, in these kind of situations, if you want to send the email content, whatever the email content you want to deliver to the people, if the email content you want to deliver in the form of a plain text format, then we can go with the help of plain text type of email template. Okay, then we can go with the help of plain text type of email template. Now, like for example, let me show you. Now tell me, for example, I will show you one small template to you, small email notification. Now tell me. For example, I did some bank transactions, okay, through my Axis Bank. So now through my Axis Bank, I did some transactions. I have received this notification. Okay, I did some transaction through my Axis Bank account. So now here I have withdrawal some amount from my account, that is 1500 rupees. So now tell me how this content look like. Is it in the form of plain text, or do we have any colors, pictures, images, all these things? It's purely like as a plain text, right? Like as white background, black text. This kind of content, this kind of template is called as plain text type of template. Okay, this kind of template is called as plain text type of template. Like for example, let me show you one more. Whenever you are receiving any bank alerts, all are plain text types. And then some more, let me show you. No. For example, now tell me, this is also one of the email notification I have received. Now tell me how this content look like in the form of plain text format, right? Yes. Because no images, no pictures, no animations, no hyperlinks, no colors, no size, no font, nothing. Simply plain text format. If you want to send the email notification in this plain text format, then we have to use an email template of type plain text type. Okay, by using this plain text type of template, we can send the email notifications in the form of plain text format. Okay, we can send the email notifications in the form of plain text format, where your email content will be in the form of plain text format. Okay, your email content will be in the form of plain text format. No images, no pictures, no attractive looking field. Simply plain text like as white background, black text. That's it. To send these kind of notifications, we have to use a template type called as plain text type. Okay. So now here in this case here, how can we prepare this email template type here? Now let's see practically. Let me show you the practical use case. Create a practical use case, how to create this email template, and then how can we send, how can we test it. I will show you practically now. Now, so let's take a small use case right now. Configure an email template to notify the lead person upon creating a new lead record. New lead record inside the object. Like for example, today I'm creating a new lead record. We have conducted some campaign, and then during that campaign, few people showed interest. Those are called as leads. You know that concept. In the beginning of our Salesforce CRM, we have discussed that. What exactly lead, what is the use, lead conversion process, everything we have discussed. Now, so now in this case today, we have conducted some campaign, and then during that campaign, so many people showed interest. So we have collected those people's information, and then the data is there in the form of some forms, okay, some paper. On the paper, we have this data. Now we are storing that whole data inside my Salesforce table. Okay, inside my lead table, I'm storing that. Once the record has been created inside the lead table, I want to send the email notification to the lead person's email ID, dear person, or dear Ramesh Kumar, dear Pawan Kumar, or dear Aditya Kumar. So now your lead record has been created successfully in our database. For the future reference, one of our salesperson will contact you shortly. I want to send the notification. So now in this case here, I would like to create one email template, configure an email template to notify the people, lead person, upon creating a new lead record inside your object. Now, then here upon sending this email notification, what will be the email subject you would like to deliver? What will be the email content? That means email body. Email content needs to be get delivered. That we can decide by using these templates. Now in this case here, what we can do? What will be the subject over here? I'm indicating this. Congratulations. Congratulations. Your prospect record has been created successfully. Congratulations. Your prospect record has been created successfully. Now, this is the email subject. Email content. I would like to indicate, dear prospect, thanks for showing your interest in our organization products or services. We are pleased to inform you that your prospect record has been created in our database for the future reference. And one of our salesperson will contact you shortly. You can contact on the below address if any queries. If any queries, you can contact on the below address. And then I want to indicate this. Thanks and regards. Okay, thanks and regards. The sales team, some Dell Incorporation. Contact us. I'm indicating +1 800 787 6655. Email us sales@dell.com. Sales@dell.com. And visit us http www.dell.com. Here I want to indicate some message over here. This is a system generated email. So please do not reply. Please do not reply. If you need any confirmation, then you can contact on the below address. Like as you can send an email, or you can contact us on this toll-free number, or we can visit our company's website also. But don't send any reply back to this email. So that I'm indicating this. So this is the email content I would like to deliver to the people. So as soon as whenever a new lead record has been created inside our database, I want to send the email notification to this lead person. So dear prospect, your lead record has been created in our database for the future reference. So one of our salesperson will contact you. If requires, he will come to your place. He will give the whole information and then he will explain the whole process. If requires, he will offer some discounts and then he will be selling the products to you over there. So that we need to send some confirmation notification back to my lead person. So that I'm creating this email template. Then how to create this email template? Now let's see practically. And how can we test it? Now let me show you. Go to the email templates. Here you will be having a button called as a new template button to create a new email template. Click on this new template button to create a new one. Click on new template. Now select the folder, in which folder you want. Select that email template type. That already told you we have 4 types of email templates in Salesforce: either text type, HTML by using letterhead, custom without using letterhead, fourth one visual force. These are the 4 types of email templates available in Salesforce. So now we are creating classic, we are creating text type of email template. So select that option like as text and then click on next button. Select the folder in which the email template has to be get reset, because it already told you each and every email template should get resides inside a folder. Now in which folder you want to store this email template, here you have to select the folder name. So I'm going to be selecting this folder. Here these are the folders are available. I want to save this email template in the same folder as unfiled public, because I want to make this email template to be get visible to all the users. That's what here I'm storing this email template inside this folder. Next, I want to make this email template to be available for use. That means whatever the template that I'm creating right now, this template can be utilized. This template can be in use to send the notifications to the people. So select the checkbox available for use. Next, email template name. I'm indicating that new prospect record creation notification template. So now here I'm indicating the email template name as new prospect record creation notification template. That means whenever a new prospect record has been getting created, immediately I want to send some email notification to the people. For that one, I'm creating this template. Specify the description of the template. I'm giving the same, okay, the same email template name, and the description I'm giving the same. Next, what will be the email subject? Okay, to that prospect person, what subject you want to send through email, what content you want to deliver. So we are ready with the subject and the content. This is the subject and the content. This is my email subject. I'm pasting it over here, and the content. This is the email content. I'm doing some alignments over here. Okay, now, so this is the content over here which we have prepared. So once you have specified both subject and content, then click on save button. Okay, click on save button. So automatically email template will be getting created for you. Now click on save. A new email template has been created. So this is the email template, new prospect record creation notification template. Okay, so here this is the subject of this email notification template. This is the content. Now, so now my email template is ready. Okay, my email template is ready. Then how can we test it? Okay, how can we test this email template over here? How can we test this email template right now? Now, how can we test this email template right now? Now I want to test it, whether this email notification will be delivering successfully to the people or not. Whether it is sending that same subject and same content to the people or not, I want to test it. Then how can we do this one? Now let's see practically. So click on send a test and verify major fields button. To test this email template, click on send a test and verify major fields. Only for the testing purpose we are using this. Now, so now to whom you want to send this email notification, specify one email ID. To which email ID you want to send the test email, you can specify. I'm indicating my email ID over here. This is the email ID to whom I want to send the test copy, test email, so that we can verify whether it is working properly or not. Select the checkbox, send email preview to. Okay, select the checkbox, email preview to, and then specify the email ID to which email ID you want to send the test email copy. Click on OK button. So now I'm going to my email. I'm going to my email over here. Now let's see. I will be receiving one email notification over there. See, I received the email notification. Congratulations, your prospect record has been created successfully. Now it is indicating that subject and the content. Whatever the subject, whatever the content that I have given, with that subject, with that content, it has sent the email notification to me. Dear prospect, thanks for showing your interest in our organization products or services. We are pleased to inform you your record has been created successfully and so and so. And then this thanks and regards, sales team, Dell Incorporation, contact address, email address, and the visitors. All this information we have indicated. And that too, this is a system generated email. So please do not reply for this email. This is how the people are sending the email notification. Like whenever you are depositing the money, you are getting the emails. How? Because of email templates. Whenever you are withdrawing the money, you are getting the email notifications. Whenever you are reserving the movie tickets, you are getting the notification. Whenever you are making the payment for any electricity bill, you are getting the email notification. Whenever your credit card bill has been generated, you are getting the email notification. Whenever you are reserving the travel ticket, you are getting the notification. How? Because of these email templates. Nothing else. Because of these email templates only, we are able to get the email notifications. Everywhere, wherever you go, whenever you are receiving the email notification, there you will be using this email templates feature. Okay, this is how we can able to prepare the email notification template, which is in the form of a plain text, and we can send it and we can test it also. Okay, clear? Now, so tomorrow we'll see some more features over here as part of email templates. Like tomorrow, I would like to discuss about a feature called as merge fields. Merge fields. What exactly the merge fields? We'll see practically how to include the record content in the email template. We'll see with the help of merge fields concept. Okay. With the help of this merge fields concept, we'll see how can we send the email notifications by merging some specific record content inside our email template. We'll see practically.
Sir?
Okay. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
So there's an email which you have drafted, right? So this is for prospect.
Yes, right.
So for example, how is this linked to the lead object? Like for example, if you're creating it, how is it going automatically?
Now, in this case, at that time we have to use a link. So now that link is called as workflow or process builder. Okay. This is the template. Here just we are preparing the template, we're testing it, whether it is sending or not properly. Then how to make this process automated, we'll see in the next concepts. That is the next concept, that is process builder or workflow rules. Through workflow rule, whenever you are creating a lead record, after entering some data, when you click on save button, my process builder or workflow will fire. It will be collecting this email template, sending the notification automatically. Okay, this is how we will link by using process builder. That will be the next concept.
So we did, excuse me, sorry to interrupt. We did the approval process. I was able to execute it. Only the last step, approval via email, I was not able to do it. Is it because we didn't connect it to an email template? Is that it?
Yes, right. You did not receive that email notification. Have you enabled that one?
I enabled it, but I was not getting any email. Is it because I don't have an email template?
No. Email template is no need to prepare by ourselves. That will be giving the Salesforce automatically.
I'm not receiving that email. I completed it. I'm able to approve it in the Salesforce account. When I log into, I can see the the item.
Can you share me that screenshot? Like, can you take a screenshot and share it to me? Like, what exactly the information that you specified?
I did share the screenshot with you. I sent it on WhatsApp.
Okay, sure. I will check it out and I will share that information also to you.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Myself, Abhishek. Even I shared you a message on WhatsApp because while creating approval process, while working on approval process, I got an error. It's because of a process builder. So I mailed you. Sorry, I messaged you on WhatsApp. So if you can check that and if you can reply me, that would be very helpful. Because I tried creating new process builder when I'm unable to work with the previous one. So still I'm facing the same issue.
Okay, let me check it out and I will come back to you.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, while I am creating new template, there is a showing issue. The page you submitted was invalid for your session. Please refresh your page and try again.
Now refresh that user interface.
Yes, sir.
Maybe your session has been logged out.
I tried two, 3 times, sir, but same error is showing.
You're creating that same email template, classic email template?
Same as it is, sir. What you show, same as it is I typed. But I am not in email body. I am not just I type only thank you for your interest. Same that matter only. Remaining sincerely user, that is not I typed, sir. Just one line only I type.
Okay. Upon saving that, what is the problem that you are getting?
The page you submitted was invalid for your session.
No, maybe your session has been expired. So just you can re-log in into your Salesforce account again and then try again.
Then okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Do we have a class morning tomorrow?